first of all, magpapalaki kita ng tinted lip balm or lipstick therapy ng Sales Lady product. This one is in shade of A03. There are 3 shades. A01, A02, and A03. And this is my favorite. Ano nangyari sa hair ko? Okay. So what I love this one is pigmented, easy to apply, blendable, lightweight sa lips. Tinted din siya at the same time lipstick therapy pa. So maglaw kita na tinted o lipstick therapy, maka-prevent siya ng ugly lips and cracked lips. So this is my favorite one. Black appearance. See that? Pero pag mo na i-apply siya, it turns out into siya doon with and without. Diba? Perfect. Kinakamay. Masarap kung kinakamay. Tries. Diba? Pigmented. In one swipe, makakover na siya. And, makakuan siya. Prevent the crack lips. Tadam. By the way, patok school. Story time, patok sa school na nagya. Nan ako mga tinda. Hopefully, mahulog na siya tiis lang. So, I'm done putting it. See that? Diba? Looks healthy. Rather than kaina. This is the after application. Perfect. So, sa gusto mag-try, check out mo yung basket. Sa Blue Up, PM. Bye!